Now we are on part 17 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. If you're seeking for a comprehensive solution for your PPC and SEO needs, look no further than SpyFu. This remarkable tool provides you with important backlinking data similar to what you would find on Moz. On the PPC side, you will discover an abundance of keyword insights that can help your business soar. All you need to do is enter your competitor's domain into SpyFu and voila! You will receive an informative snapshot of their overall performance. Upon exploring SpyFu, I was able to gain important insights into my competitor's organic performance. I could see the number of organic keywords they are ranked for, as well as the estimated monthly SEO clicks based on the volume of those keywords. Additionally, I was able to identify the keywords that their top competitors also rank for, and even view their rank history over the past 10 years. This particular domain has been around for quite some time, and these insights can help me better understand their long-term organic performance. On the paid side of SpyFu, I was able to discover that my competitor is investing in paid search. They have bid on more than 3,000 keywords, and I could see the estimated cost of their advertising efforts. Furthermore, I was able to identify other competitors in both the paid and organic spaces, and even determine the shared keyword overlap. Although SpyFu offers a freemium model, paying for additional insights can provide even greater understanding of how my domain compares to competitors. These significant insights can help me fine-tune my PPC and SEO strategies for optimal results. As a user of the free version of SpyFu, I am able to access overall data on a specific domain I entered. In this case, my competitor's domain. However, I can also enter my own domain to gain insights into my own organic and paid keywords. The free version of SpyFu provides me with information on top keywords and top paid keywords, which are based on Google Ads recommendations for what to purchase. These insights can help me gain a better understanding of my own online presence and make more informed decisions about my PPC and SEO strategies. In addition to the top keywords and paid keywords, the free version of SpyFu also provides me with important information about my competitors' Google Ads history. I can view the ad copy they wrote for specific keywords and gain insight into their advertising strategy. As I continue scrolling through the overview report, I can also view their organic ranking history for keywords such as RV rent and identify inbound links that are pointing to their website. Similar to Moz, SpyFu provides me with domain strength and estimated click metrics for each inbound link, allowing me to better understand my competitors' organic performance. All of this data is available for free on SpyFu and can provide an important overview of your competitor's online performance. However, more in-depth analysis is available if you choose to pay for it. SpyFu allows you to hone in what your competitors are bidding on in the paid space, as well as what they are ranking for organically. With this information, you can gain significant insights into how your business overlaps with your competitors. Overall, SpyFu is an excellent tool to leverage for both free and paid insights into your competitors' online strategies. Now let's shift our focus to Google Analytics. Under the Audience tab, I can access the benchmarking reports which provide important insights into how my website is performing compared to the industry as a whole. However, it is important to note that all of this data is anonymous, so I cannot see what specific competitors are doing. To make the most of this report, I can narrow down my industry to autos and vehicles, and specify a particular country or adjust the size of the daily sessions to get a better idea of how many websites stacks up against others in my industry. With this information, I can make more informed decisions about my online strategy and improve my website's performance. In this example, I have access to data for over 9,000 web properties, which allows me to compare and contrast their performance against my own. This is particularly helpful for evaluating my website's performance against industry benchmarks, specifically in terms of channels. By analyzing the color-coded data, green indicating good performance and red indicating poor performance, I can determine how well my website is doing in comparison to others in my industry who receive similar amounts of traffic. It's important to note that I can adjust the data based on my location, which in turn adjusts the number of web properties being analyzed, resulting in a more accurate and insightful report. Returning to the report after narrowing down, the focus is on channels, which displays the number of sessions received through each channel and how it compares to other anonymous web properties in the same industry. The report also offers insights on percentage of new sessions, new users, pages per session, average session duration, and bounce rate. Apart from channels, the report also offers insights on location and devices. While the report doesn't provide information on a specific competitor, it offers an important perspective on the performance of the industry as a whole. In the benchmarking report of Google Analytics, you can compare your website's performance against your industry as a whole. By adjusting the report for your country or region, site size, and industry, you can see how you stack up against anonymous web properties in your industry. The report provides insights on channels, new sessions, new users, pages per session, average session duration, and bounce rate. This tool is significant because it helps you identify areas where your website needs improvement, such as driving more organic traffic in comparison to others in your industry. If you're looking for insights on your competitors without using a specialized tool, you can always go back to the basics and search on Google. For example, if you search for keywords such as RV rentals, you can see who is bidding on that keyword. This method of research was commonly used before the availability of tools and software. By performing a simple search on Google using a keyword such as RV rentals, we can gain insight into our own competitors' bidding activities. We can also see a list of companies that are bidding on this keyword, as well as any featured snippets or organic search results. By scrolling down the page, we can also see other companies who are bidding on the same keyword and paying for clicks. This provides us with a clear data of the number of companies vying for visibility for this keyword. Well, that's all it takes to get started. From an organic perspective, if you want to get a better understanding of your competition, you can simply perform a search using the all-entitled syntax and hit enter. For instance, I did this for the keyword luxury cars and found 45,000 results. This tells me that there are 45,000 websites with luxury cars in their title tag. If you're trying to optimize for the same keyword, you now know that you have to compete with 45,000 other websites to rank for it. By using the all-entitled syntax with a specific keyword, you can obtain a more precise estimate of the number of websites that rank ahead of you for that keyword. For example, if I search for coffee shops without the syntax, I can get 250 million results, but this number includes websites that do not have the coffee shops in their title tags. This makes it difficult to accurately gauge the competition. However, using the syntax all-entitled, coffee shops, it provides a more accurate representation of the competition by showing only the number of websites with coffee shops in their title tags. This is important because the title tag is a key factor in organic search rankings. By knowing the number of websites we have to surpass to reach the top spot in Google, we can better understand our competition and develop a strategy to achieve our goals. Suppose you're managing Google Ads for your business, and you want to see how many competitors are bidding on the same keyword as you. Just like we did when we searched for RV rentals, you can easily access a helpful report called Auction Insights within Google Ads. Simply navigate to the Campaigns tab, then select Auction Insights and you're good to go. This report provides important information about your competitors' bidding strategies such as impression share, average position, and overlap rate, so you can optimize your own ad campaigns accordingly. The Auction Insights feature on Google Ads provides important information on how your campaign stacks up against your competition. By analyzing the keywords you're bidding on, you can see which domains are also bidding on those same keywords. This allows you to determine how you rank against your competitors in terms of impression share, which refers to the percentage of times your ad was shown compared to the total of times it could have been shown. Using this tool, you can also see your average position, how often you overlap with competitors, and what percentage of the time you're at the top of the page compared to your competitors. You can also see how frequently you outrank your competitors or vice versa. All of this information gives you a better understanding of what your competitors are doing and how you can improve your bidding strategy to gain a larger share of impressions. If you're utilizing Google Ads, you have the option to access the Auction Insights report simply by clicking on Campaigns in the top navigation. This will provide you important information about your performance compared to your competitors in paid search. However, if you're using other platforms like Bing, LinkedIn, or Facebook for your advertising campaigns, it's best to utilize the tools within those platforms to gain the most accurate data. Third-party tools like WordStreams are also available, but usually come at a cost. Both Bing and Google are advertising networks that provide in-platform reporting and analysis tools to help you optimize your campaigns. Additionally, editors are available for Google Ads, Bing, and Facebook to help you manage your campaigns more efficiently. There are various tools and platforms that you can use to get data and insights on your paid marketing campaigns. If you're using Google Ads, you can leverage the Google Ads Editor and Keyword Planner, although both of these require payment if you are running campaigns. Similarly, if you are using Bing, you can access good data through reporting, and there are also third-party tools like WordStream that you can pay for. Google and Bing are both advertising networks, which means you can advertise on their platforms and get access to all the data you need right within the platform using the tools that they offer. In addition to Google Ads Editor, Bing also has its own editor, and Facebook also offers an editor-type version for its platform. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 18.